Welcome to Sales Captain. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to set up voicemail in. Let's get started. Let's get your voicemail set up so you never miss a lead. Head over to your dashboard and navigate to Captain Labs, then into the call flow section. This is where you build out exactly what happens when someone calls your business, including what happens when you can't pick up. Now, drag and drop the Assign Team element into your call flow. This makes sure the right team member is tied to the incoming call. Next, grab the voicemail element from the sidebar and drop it right into your flow. A pop-up menu will appear with your voicemail configuration options. This is where you'll customize everything, from your greeting message to how you want to be notified. Take a moment to look through each setting so your voicemail works exactly the way you need it to. In the Message Type drop-down, go ahead and click to select your preferred greeting option. You can upload a pre-recorded audio file if you already have one, or use the built-in text-to-speech tool. Just type out your greeting, hit Generate, and preview it to make sure it sounds professional. Once everything looks good, click the Save button to lock in your voicemail settings. And that's it. From now on, every missed call gets captured with a recording and caller details so you can follow up fast and win that customer. And that's it. Head to salescaptain.com to start your free trial today.